Next, I'll demonstrate the ribbed spiderweb stitch using 6 strands of color number 1. First, come up here. Stitch these foundation lines first. Take down at center point. Bring it up. Take it down. Keep thread tension balanced. Too tight makes wrapping difficult. Too loose affects appearance. Then come up beside center point. Cross back over 1 foundation line. Pass needle through 2 foundation lines. Let me show again. Pass needle under 2 foundation lines. Notice the curve created on foundation lines. Again, pass through 2 foundation lines, wrapping around them. Before each pass, cross back over foundation lines. Then pass under previous lines, creating dimensional layers. Pull thread slowly to prevent bunching up, which affects appearance. Wrap carefully and patiently. Easy to wrap incorrectly. Follow this wrapping pattern until pattern is fully covered. Final stitch down. Let's look at the result.